what's up, y'all? Shit, today is a very special day because I'm gonna install my headers today. Shit, man, I've been waiting like freaking 2 years for this, and it's finally happening. This shit's gonna sound crazy, stupid loud. Shit, I don't even know, man, but I'm excited, I'm nervous. Shit, I'm tweaking, man. So right now, all I got is the off-road X pipe with Roush axle backs, and it has a little bit of exhaust leak, which I've been getting tired as fuck of. So this is going to be the last cold start with this exhaust leak. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna give y'all this is the last downshift suit, man. Alright, y'all, we pulling up right now. Just pulled up right now. Shit, I'm about to drop off my car, come back in a couple hours, and I'll get back with y'all, alright? Peace. Damn. That shit. Hell yeah. Gotta get a little view. Sheesh. But let's hear this beach. I can't even see him. Yeah. Damn. That shit sound clean. Batman. Oh my god, you guys. This shit sounds fucking insane. Oh my god. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get home, cause it's gonna be hella traffic right now. Alright, see y'all later. Yo, what's good, y'all? I left y'all hanging the last video. Shit, I'm about to end this video right here, but stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna do a full exhaust video, revs, cold start, pulls, everything. Alright, so stay tuned for that, and until then, I'm again just end this video right here and give y'all a cold start. Alright.